Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today, I'm filming this on Catalogue Go Live today, but you're seeing it, I don't know when you're seeing this. I wanted to make a really quick project using a couple of new things and also to give you a little bit of an update on my operation as much as I can because I don't know. So, but before I do that, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working with. So these are new puffy stickers. These are called Softest Spring Mix and Match, and they are puffy stickers. I'm a bit of a fan of a sticker. I love stickers, you know. I was born in the 70s, of course I love stickers. But I've also got these, which are our two new Mix and Match ephemera packs. So this one is called Easter Time, and this one is called Unforgettable Time. So you get a couple of sheets, well, you get 6 sheets. You get 2 each of 3 designs. So you can be making duplicate cards if you want. So there's one design. Look at the little bunnies. Oh, I don't know. I've super zoomed in. I'm hoping that this audio is working. There's one design. There's another. I'm loving the purple. And there's the third design. I love those bunnies. And there's 2 sheets for each of those. And then our lovely wordy ones are, whoops, these ones here, and again 2 each of 3 different designs. So there is not one of them, hang on. So we've got gold at the back, and then fabulous brights and more fabulous brights. So family fun, sweet dreams, good times, cherish forever. There's another one that says heartfelt, and then unforgettable, art, story, happy day, you and me, gorgeous. So I want to make some journal pages for myself for post-operation recovery. So this is my journal, which is well and truly battered. I've had it nearly a year now. This is a Louise Carmen. I'm always asked where I get it from. It's a company based out of Paris called louisecarmen.com, I think. Anyway, and this is the leather outer, and then it's got elastics in it, so you just add whatever notebooks you want. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here at the moment. So I've got my reading log back there and my walking log. You can see it's the it's the 6th today. So I've only walked twice this month. I walked a lot last month. So that's my reading log. This is things I want to do at home. This is stuff to do with my Stampin' Up business, but this is a brand new one because I've just finished off one. My personal journal in here, and then another planning activity thing. And what I want to do is do a journal for my post-recovery. And when I write with stickers or write in my journal, I just put a trio of stickers and I put them in, and it takes away the overwhelm. And I do want to document my journey because if you don't know what my operation is for, it's a full thyroidectomy, which means that I'm not going to go into details what a thyroid does, but I'm going to have replacement hormones and thyroid medication for basically the rest of my life, and it's going to take months for them to fix it and sort it out. So what I wanted to do was create myself a kind of journal, but not journal, but sort of like a diary, so that I can keep track of it. And I don't want it to just be plain and boring, because that wouldn't be me. So I've got 2 notebooks here that fit in this. Now this particular journal system is not A5 size, so let me find an A5 notebook. Do I have anything A5 handy? No, I don't. So A5 is this size. That's A5. The notebooks that fit in it are not A5. So this is moleskin, but these are standard traveller's notebooks. So that is 21 centimetres by 13. It's either 13 or 13.9. I want to say 13. And this is 21 centimetres by 11. So these you can get very easily. So if you want to venture into journaling territory or writing a daily notebook, this one will work. And you can see I've got one of these smaller ones here at the front. So I've got a smaller one, and then these are These are moleskin. This is an A5 that I've actually cut down. That's a moleskin back there. Oh, the sticker's cute. You can see I'm very much a sticker girl. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with this one, because if I don't want to add it in there, I can put it somewhere else. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some Stampin' Seal, and I'm going to get some stickers and get them, not stickers, these are die cuts, so these are not stickers, and add them on there. So I think I really need to have Everyday Life, because, oh, does it fit? Oh, just about. Yeah, once I have the thyroidectomy, it is going to be my Everyday Life. That is just going to fit, but actually, arguably, do I want it at a skew-if angle? So to keep you up to date, so I was due to have the operation, I'm going to use liquid glue, on the 12th of December. And my operation should have been taking place at about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. And at 3:45 they came to me and said, the operation's been cancelled. We've run out of time, which not so great. And not what I needed to hear. So that put just threw me for a loop, because I'd prepped and planned for it, fully prepped and planned for it. So it was very frustrating that that happened. And then, although the NHS has a constitution that says they will offer you a guaranteed date within 28 days, Christmas came in the middle of that, junior doctor strike came in the middle of that, New Year came in the middle of that, and they couldn't do that for me. And they did say that although that is part of the constitution, yeah, COVID made changes to that. I'm just grabbing some more stickers. I think I want to put the puffy on the outside, actually, thinking about it, because these do pair with those ones. So I'm going to go puffy on the outside. So what they have done is they have come up with a date for me that is guaranteed, that they can't give it to somebody else. I won't have to share that date, which is the 6th of February. It's quite a long time to wait. However, they've said, while I'm not an urgent case within, you know, I operate within 2 weeks, I'm not on the 2-week pathway, I am still urgent. So they need to operate within, I think it's 99 days, which is a shade over 3 calendar months. So from when they first said to me back in October, they have to get me in. So I've been given 3 possible cancellation dates as well, which means I don't know. I don't know when the operation is going to happen. So it could either be, I'm going to put that one up there, it could either be the 8th of January, and I'm currently filming this on the 6th. I'm doing an awful lot of filming this week just in case it happens on the 8th. It could be the 8th of January. It could be the 12th of January, which is the Monday afterwards. It could be the 23rd of January, which is 2-3 weeks later. Or it will be that date in February. So I just don't know. I don't know when the operation is going to happen. I know when the latest it will happen, which will be the 6th of February. But it could be before then. So that means that I have to, no, I don't have to do anything at all. I want to make sure I've got plenty of projects and things for all of you. Talky ones where I can. But I'm having my thyroid removed because I'm not well. And there are lots of other things going on. And so, I'm not having it removed just for kicks and giggles. I am having it removed because I'm not well and I'm tired all the time. So I'm currently going with the I'll work when I can. And at the moment today I have some energy. So that's what I'm going with. That's really cute. I like that one. I like this one too. I love the bunny because I'm a bunny girl. No! I like bunnies. I'm not one of them at all. Goodness me. I think that needs a little cute flower as well, because why not? So I just want to put these pages together because I know that once I have the operation I am not going to have the energy to do this, but I do want to have something gorgeous, fabulous, beautiful to look at. And I don't mind that it's Eastery themed. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, that's kind of the state of play at the moment. I did film a video the day after I was meant to have my operation, which I did. I filmed a video and filmed a tutorial, and I thought I'm not going to waste the time, and the audio didn't work, so I've got a microphone issue, so I'm really hoping that this is working. Yeah, talking it all through, but yeah. So anyway, that aside, we have launched the new catalogue the 6th of January. So that is the mini catalogue, which I sent all of mine out prior to when I was meant to have my operation. But, you know, there were lots of plans made. So that's this one. This is the mini catalogue. So it's good for the 4 months of January, February, March and April. We have also launched today, or the 6th of January, online exclusives. So there are brand new online exclusives for you all. We also have two more kits, because we get kits every month. We have a new product of the month, which is a stamp set this time around. So last month it was paper, so December it was a paper pack, beautiful true blue paper pack. I don't remember the name of the stamp set, but it's lovely sentiments. What else do we have? We have bonus days. So bonus days, oh, let me try and get the information correctly for you. So bonus days we've had before, so there's no celebration anymore. Let me find what bonus days are. I'm just signing into my website. So bonus days are when you spend in January, you will get a coupon over a certain amount, which I want to get the correct information. When you spend over that certain figure, you will get a coupon for each increment of that you spend, to then you can redeem it in February. Ugh, there we go, my website crashed. So let me read this out so I get this correct for you. It says, if you shop between the 6th of January and the 2nd of February and you spend, and I'll do pounds first, then euros, £45, you will earn a £4.50 coupon. So in euros, 60 euros, and you'll get a €6 coupon. Make sure you save all your coupons because you can redeem them and win all of them between the 3rd and the 28th of February. There's no limit to how many coupons you can earn. So yeah. And it's a £4.50 coupon for every £45 spent before shipping and before rewards, if you're taking off rewards. So if you spend £90, you're going to get £9 worth of coupons. So yeah, so that's going on as well. So it's all go. Right, how many pages have I done so far? One, because I will add to this as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go one more to get a full week's worth. I love this. I love that. I have a nice Ray Dunn watering can. We don't get Ray Dunn here in the UK very much. I know her stuff is very popular in the States. We don't get very much of it here in the UK. Once in a blue moon we get it in TK Maxx. So I do have a Ray Dunn watering can. It's not purple though. Right, so that's me ready to go so that I can, write down the date. I can write whatever levels they're asking me to monitor. That can go in there. And I've just made it very pretty. And as I said, my other journals, I don't know how much deep dark information they're going to want from me. 23rd of December. I think I've got one here from, the day after I was meant to have. Yeah, wasn't prepared for this. Surgery was cancelled. And then the day before, got the catalogues done and posted out, cleaned the office, got my recliner ready. We had all sorts, all prepped and planned. And yeah, out the window. But that is now ready to go for whenever I do have the operation and they can say to me, so tell us your levels. I don't know like I say, what they're going to want me to track. But it's there and it's ready, and I've got to use these, which has been fun. And yeah, and also just to keep in touch with all of you as well. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope you're loving the new catalogue, the new online exclusives, the bonus days, the kits, product of the month, all the things. And it is 1:10 on the 6th of January. And apparently I've walked 3,000 steps today. I haven't at all. This is attached to my wrist. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.